Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Smile Kit contents and working area. This saves time later. With the kit open, choose a clean, neutral-lit spot. Once done, read the quick label that lists each shade. Mix a pea-sized amount on the tray and apply a thin coat to a 1/4-inch test patch so you can compare before and after. This reveals how the product behaves on your surface and prevents overcorrection, which is harder to reverse. Now you focus on mixing precisely. Identify the undertone and pick matching corrective shades from the kit chart, because balancing undertone avoids muddy results. Combine 1 part color corrector with 3 parts base to start. Adjust by 0.5 increments if you need more intensity. Apply thin, feathered strokes, then wait the recommended 5 to 10 minutes for drying or curing before adding another layer. Doing this lets you build correct. To finish, apply the protective top coat specified by the kit and allow full cure. This locks color and prevents abrasion. If you see streaks once dry, sand gently with 600 grit, clean, then reapply half the previous coat to smooth the finish. If color still looks off, correct by adding 10 to 20% of the opposite undertone and retesting on a small patch. This counterbalances the shift without overloading the surface. These steps secure a lasting, natural-looking correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.